bless you. Thank you very much. God bless you all. You are all welcome. So please, before you watch this video, click on the subscribe button. Subscribe to this channel to get more videos.
Sister.
Pastor! Pastor! Hey. Since last 2 weeks you have carried me to the hotel, you do not give me my money. I will collect my money today.
What happened?
Auntie, please don't interfere to this matter. Pastor carried me to the hotel since last 2 weeks, he's not giving my money. I will collect my money today.
Pastor, what is going on? I'm hearing hotel. Huh? What is this? That is why I'll be there watching your program. We say contaminate. You will tell me his members.
This is not a real pastor, it's a fake pastor. I'm going to collect my money today.
Pastor, sister, how much is it?
My money is 60,000, but now I'm going to collect 100,000.
Yes.
100. Yes, 100.